Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to restrict the sales summary view in the bill. By default, you can view the sales summary as of the current date by pressing Ctrl plus F5. To enable this restriction, go to the Logic folder and open Logic Admin. Then, click on Global Settings and navigate to Sales Settings 2. Here, you'll find an option labeled Do Not Allow Sales Summary View in Bill. Check this option and save the settings. After that, restart the software to apply the changes. Once restarted, the sales summary will no longer be displayed in the bill.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.